My next guest here at Conference Live is one of the most exciting people you could ask to have. Tridium has revolutionized the way that buildings talk to each other, the way data gets analyzed. And I have from Tridium the incredible Marc Petock and multiple microphones flying in. Great to see you, Marc.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.
What's exciting here?
I think truly what is the most exciting thing
Hold on, let me put you on here.
What's exciting here is, I think, the level of enthusiasm and what I'm seeing the adoption for the whole concept of intelligent buildings.
Yeah.
I've seen a dramatic increase from when we've been here in previous years to what I see today.
His volume.
And so that's what I think is the most exciting. Plus, you're starting to see a lot more technology that is being integrated into this whole concept of a smart, intelligent, a really good performing building.
Tridium, as I said before, is just, you look out across this conference floor and you see all of the children of Tridium coming out, and it says something about the culture of a company that it encourages a developer, kind of an open source developer culture. What's the key to doing that, to not being sort of miserly with your technology, but letting it grow and flourish? What is it about the culture of Tridium that makes that work?
And I think it's several things. Is number one, when we first came up with the idea about an open platform for intelligent buildings, the key was open. And so we've extended that throughout our whole development cycle as we brought this to market back in the late 90s. And without a village here, you can't succeed. So we felt that you needed a village and a community to get the adoption going and equally make the technology even better and stronger and more valuable to the ultimate end user. So we see that today, and that's an ongoing thing that we have going with respect to different types of people who are developing on it, from dashboards that deal with energy, to security, to visualization, to analytics, to lots of other things that enhances the value of the base technology, which is our Niagara platform, that brings all the different devices together and allows that communication, integration, and interoperability to occur.
What then is what do you see as your job? What is your role in keeping all of these things so robust? What is your...
As we feel that our job is to continually to make the framework an easy, adaptable technology that people can build on. We have a saying, why build it when you can build on it? So from our perspective, that's one area. Equally, to address how the market is changing, especially in the area of big data, mobility, portability, scalability. These are areas that, as this whole concept of intelligent buildings has grown, those needs are being addressed today with our technology.
What then is what are some of the more exciting things that are coming up for the Niagara platform?
Well, I think first and foremost is portability. We've heard, and we heard earlier today, the Internet of Things. We feel that the Internet of Things is not the next thing, it's happening now. So to correlate with that is how many more devices, how many more systems are going to be connected and part of that entire intelligent building infrastructure, if you will.
And what do you say to someone on, here or in the world of intelligent design that doesn't know enough about Tridium, doesn't understand fully what it can do for them and what the products can do for them? What's sort of the message to those folks?
Well, I think it's, we live in a world, we're all about energy conservation, curtailing our energy usages in our buildings and the cost for that energy. So yes, our platform can do that, but that's not the only other thing. Look at all the different things that go into a building, such as maintenance. So our technology enables folks to reduce the cost of maintenance. It enables them to operate their buildings at actual occupancy levels versus operating at full levels when the building is not occupied. It enables them to correlate the exact systems with every single thing, so they are coordinated in one equal fashion. So just picture this. It's a Saturday afternoon. I go into the office, I swipe my access card. It immediately lets me into the building. It knows that Mark has his office on the 4th floor. So the elevator comes down, meets me. I don't have to even press a button. It takes me up to the 4th floor. It knows that I reside in the southwest quadrant of our building. So immediately, the environmental systems, air conditioning, heating, is turned up in that area only, and the lighting is turned up, versus having that whole building running at an occupancy that is at higher levels where the building's not occupied.
10 years into the future, what kinds of things do you see Tridium doing?
I think it's all about the edge to the enterprise. So we see that things living further out on the edge becoming all part of this entire thing, this world we call the enterprise.
I thank you so much for being part of
Thank you,
Conference
Jerry.
Live and
Appreciate
for Realcomm.
it.
And I'll be over at your booth to check out what you guys
Look
are
forward
unveiling
to
next.
it.
Thank
Thanks
you
a
very
lot.
much.
Appreciate it.